struggling with numbness, tingling, or nerve pain. You're not alone. But did you know certain drinks can actually help repair nerve damage? Stick around as we reveal 10 powerful drinks that support your nervous system naturally. Your nervous system controls everything, from your thoughts and movements to how you feel pain or pleasure. But over time, things like poor diet, diabetes, or injury can cause serious nerve damage. Thankfully, nature offers some potent healing remedies in the form of nutrient-packed drinks. Let's dive into the top 10. First up, turmeric golden milk. Turmeric golden milk is a traditional Ayurvedic drink known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which may provide supportive benefits for nerve health. How turmeric golden milk may help nerve health. Anti-inflammatory effects. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can damage nerves, so reducing inflammation may help protect nerve tissues. Antioxidant properties. Curcumin also acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping to neutralize free radicals that can damage nerves and other cells. Possible neuroprotective effects. Some studies suggest that curcumin may support brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a growth hormone involved in nerve function and repair. Pain relief. Golden milk may help manage neuropathic pain due to turmeric's influence on pain receptors and inflammatory pathways. This warm, comforting drink is loaded with curcumin, a compound known to reduce inflammation and support nerve regeneration. Add black pepper to boost absorption. 2. Blueberry smoothie. Next is a blueberry smoothie. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants that protect nerves from oxidative stress and slow down age-related damage. Blend with almond milk and a banana for extra potassium. Yes, blueberry smoothies can be beneficial for nerve health due to their rich content of antioxidants, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Here's how. Why blueberries help with nerve health. High in antioxidants, especially anthocyanins. Protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and free radical damage. Help reduce inflammation in the nervous system. Rich in vitamin C and vitamin K. Vitamin C supports collagen formation and nerve protection. Vitamin K supports brain function and may help prevent neurodegeneration. Contain flavonoids. Improve brain signaling and support memory and cognition. Help improve blood flow to the brain and nerves. Neuroprotective properties. Some studies show that blueberries may delay age-related nerve and cognitive decline. 3. Dark chocolate cocoa. Craving chocolate? Go for dark chocolate cocoa. Rich in flavonoids and magnesium, it helps calm overactive nerves and improve circulation. Just skip the sugar-loaded versions. Key nutrients in dark chocolate for nerve health. Flavonols, especially epicatechin. Found in high amounts in dark chocolate, especially 70% or higher cacao. Have strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Improve blood flow to the brain and nerves, which helps nerve function. Magnesium. Important for nerve signal transmission and muscle relaxation. Deficiency can contribute to nerve pain, anxiety, and muscle cramps. Dark chocolate is a good natural source of magnesium. Theobromine and caffeine. Mild stimulants that may enhance mental alertness and nerve function. Improve mood and reduce fatigue, indirectly benefiting nerve health. Polyphenol and antioxidants. Combat oxidative stress, a major contributor to nerve damage, especially in conditions like diabetes or neuropathy. 4. Ashwagandha tea. Ashwagandha tea is a traditional adaptogen that helps fight nerve stress, especially from anxiety. It also supports myelin sheath repair, that's the protective layer around your nerves. Yes, ashwagandha tea may help support nerve health, primarily due to its adaptogenic and neuroprotective properties. Here's a breakdown of how it can benefit the nervous system. Potential nerve health benefits of ashwagandha tea. Reduces stress and anxiety. Ashwagandha is well known as an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body adapt to stress. Lower stress levels can reduce the strain on the nervous system. Supports nerve regeneration. Some animal studies suggest that ashwagandha may promote the growth of nerve cells and even help in regenerating damaged nerve cells. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation can damage nerves. Ashwagandha contains withanolides, compounds with anti-inflammatory properties that may protect nerves. Improve sleep quality. Good sleep is essential for nervous system recovery. Ashwagandha has mild sedative properties and may improve sleep, further supporting nerve health. Boosts brain function. It may enhance cognitive function, memory, and focus, which are all linked to healthy neural activity. 5. Carrot and spinach juice. This vibrant juice is full of vitamin B12 and folate, both crucial for nerve repair. Carrots bring in antioxidants, and spinach is loaded with alpha-lipoic acid, which helps treat nerve pain. Carrot and spinach juice can support nerve health, although it should not be considered a cure or sole treatment for nerve-related conditions. Here's how each contributes. Carrots. Rich in beta-carotene, vitamin A important for overall cell health, including nerve cells. Vitamin B6, supports neurotransmitter function and nerve signaling. Antioxidants. Help reduce oxidative stress, which can damage nerves. Spinach. High in folate, vitamin B9 essential for nerve tissue growth and repair. Magnesium, vital for nerve conduction and muscle relaxation. Iron, ensures oxygen delivery to nerves and muscles. Antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin support cell integrity. Potential benefits for nerve health. Reduced inflammation due to antioxidants. Improved blood flow to nerves, supporting repair and function. Enhanced myelin sheath protection, which is crucial for efficient nerve signaling. 6. Coconut water. Coconut water isn't just refreshing, it's packed with electrolytes that support nerve signal transmission. It's also a natural source of cytokinins, which reduce inflammation. Coconut water can offer some benefits for overall health, including nerve health, but it's not a cure or primary treatment for nerve issues. Here's what it can help with. How coconut water may support nerve health. Rich in electrolytes. Contains potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which are important for proper nerve function and electrical signaling in the body. Hydration. Proper hydration helps maintain healthy nerve function, and coconut water is a good natural hydrating drink. Antioxidants. Coconut water has antioxidants that may help reduce oxidative stress, which can play a role in nerve damage. Magnesium content. Magnesium is especially important for calming nerve excitability and preventing issues like muscle cramps or nerve irritability. 7. Green tea. Green tea is a nerve superhero. Its polyphenol fight oxidative stress and inflammation, while the amino acid L-theanine promotes calm, focused energy. Green tea is often praised for its potential benefits to overall health, including brain and nerve health, due to its rich composition of antioxidants and bioactive compounds. Here's a quick overview of how green tea's nutritional components can support nerve health. Key nutritional components of green tea related to nerve health. Polyphenol, especially catechins like EGCG. Strong antioxidants that protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. May help reduce neurodegeneration and support cognitive function. L-theanine. An amino acid unique to tea that promotes relaxation without drowsiness. Can improve brain function by increasing neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. May reduce anxiety and improve focus, indirectly benefiting nerve health. Caffeine, in moderate amounts. Can improve alertness and cognitive function. May stimulate the central nervous system in a balanced way, improving nerve signaling. Vitamins and minerals. Contains small amounts of B vitamins, manganese, potassium, and magnesium, which are essential for nerve function. 8. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice increases blood flow to the brain and extremities, delivering oxygen and nutrients to damaged nerves. It's also rich in nitrates and vitamin C. Beetroot juice can be beneficial for nerve health, but it's not a direct cure or treatment. Here's why it might help. Rich in antioxidants, beetroot juice contains antioxidants like betalains, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Since oxidative stress can damage nerves, antioxidants may support nerve health. Improves blood flow. Beetroot juice is high in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. This helps relax and widen blood vessels, improving circulation. Better blood flow can support nerve function by delivering more oxygen and nutrients. Supports brain function. Improved blood flow from beetroot juice may also enhance brain health and cognitive function, which are closely related to the nervous system. However, beetroot juice alone won't heal nerve damage or serious nerve conditions. For nerve health, a balanced diet, proper medical care, and addressing underlying conditions are essential. 9. Almond milk. Almond milk is a gentle, non-inflammatory drink that's naturally high in vitamin E, magnesium, and calcium, all crucial for healthy nerve function. Almond milk can be beneficial for nerve health in several ways, mainly because of its nutritional components. Rich in vitamin E, almond milk is a good source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and damage. Magnesium content. Almonds contain magnesium, which is important for nerve function and helps regulate nerve impulses and muscle contractions. Low in saturated fat. Almond milk is low in saturated fats, which supports overall cardiovascular health, indirectly benefiting nerve health by promoting good blood circulation. Calcium and vitamin D, if fortified. Many commercial almond milks are fortified with calcium and vitamin D, both important for nerve signaling and muscle function. While almond milk can support nerve health as part of a balanced diet, it should not be the sole source of nutrients needed for optimal nerve function. Eating a varied diet rich in whole foods, including nuts, seeds, vegetables, and lean proteins, is important. 10. Warm lemon water. And finally, start your day with warm lemon water. It's a simple detox that boosts hydration and vitamin C intake, key for nerve healing and immune support. Warm lemon water can be quite beneficial for nerve health, though the effects are generally supportive rather than directly curative. Here are some ways it might help. Rich in vitamin C, lemons are high in vitamin C, which is important for the repair and maintenance of nerves. Vitamin C also acts as an antioxidant, protecting nerve cells from damage caused by free radicals. Hydration. Warm lemon water encourages hydration, and proper hydration is crucial for nerve function since dehydration can impair nerve signaling. Anti-inflammatory effects. The antioxidants and flavonoids in lemon can reduce inflammation, which benefits nerve health by potentially lowering nerve irritation or damage. Improved circulation. Warm water with lemon may help improve blood circulation, ensuring that nerves get adequate oxygen and nutrients. Detoxification support. Lemon water can support liver function and detoxification, helping the body remove toxins that might otherwise negatively impact nerves. Alkalizing effect. Though lemon is acidic, it has an alkalizing effect on the body once metabolized, which may help balance pH and reduce chronic inflammation affecting nerves. Note, while warm lemon water is helpful as part of a healthy lifestyle, it's not a substitute for medical treatment for nerve conditions like neuropathy or nerve damage. As conclusion, there you have it. 10 incredible drinks to help repair and protect your nerves. Remember, healing takes time and consistency. Combine these drinks with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and quality sleep for the best results. To recap montage of all 10 drinks. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips every week.